A legend was born in 1967, a machine sculpted with power, style, and an unmistakable presence, the Pontiac Firebird, a name that ignited excitement and redefined American muscle. This masterpiece emerged as Pontiac's answer to the growing pony car craze. Before diving into the remarkable journey of this icon, become a part of our passionate community, where timeless machines are celebrated, their history is honored, and their legacy roars to life once more. The first-generation Firebird was introduced as a direct competitor to the Ford Mustang and its GM sibling, the Chevrolet Camaro. Unlike the Camaro, it featured a more aggressive front-end design, with split grilles and a signature beaked nose, embodying Pontiac's performance-driven DNA. Offered in coupe and convertible forms, it was built to deliver both style and speed. Under the hood, a range of engines was available, from the 230 cubic inch inline six to the monstrous 400 cubic inch V8, borrowed from the mighty GTO, producing up to 325 horsepower. This ensured that the Firebird wasn't just about looks, it was a true street warrior. Inside, the Firebird's cockpit blended sportiness with sophistication. Bucket seats, wood-grain dash accents, and an array of performance gauges gave drivers the feeling of being in command of something truly special. The rally and custom interior packages elevated the experience even further, offering luxury touches uncommon in the muscle car segment. Pontiac's engineering brilliance was evident in the Firebird's handling, featuring a unique rear suspension setup that enhanced stability and cornering, making it a formidable presence both on straightaways and winding roads. Over the years, the Firebird evolved, but its debut model remains one of the most revered. Pristine examples of the 1967 Firebird now command impressive prices, with well-preserved V8 models reaching well beyond $50,000 at auctions. Its legacy extends beyond the asphalt, having cemented its place in popular culture in the hearts of enthusiasts worldwide. This is more than just a car. It's a symbol of an era where muscle reigned supreme, and Pontiac ruled the streets. Join us as we continue to explore and celebrate these icons. Subscribe now and be part of a community that keeps the spirit of classic performance alive with passion and dedication.